Good morning. Start for a brand new week. Hair's a mess. Wild, crazy, what's going on? I'm all dressed up and ready. I've just got some breakfast on the go. I've made myself a coffee. I'm sat and I'm watching Molly May's documentary. Not gonna lie to you guys, I was never really a big Molly May fan. I didn't dislike her, but I just wasn't a big fan of her because I was just like, oh, everybody just copies what she does. But then I was watching one of her vlogs yesterday, and I watched one last week, I think, and I was like, oh, like, she's actually quite chill, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna watch a documentary. I watched 6 episodes last night, so I'm just watching some more now, gonna have my breakfast, and then I'm thinking I might drive to Buxton today. I've been craving a Gales for ages. I've got some free gifts on my app that I need to use, and I just think I might go and have a little drive and go to Gales because I've been thinking about it for ages, and I might just go. Got the day off work, so I'm gonna have a little road trip and let's go to Buxton. Guys, we've made it to Buxton after 2.5 hours of driving. I started driving and I messaged Liv this morning saying I'm going to Buxton. She didn't respond to me, she hates me. And then I saw her message me, obviously I couldn't respond, so I just rang her and I just said, well, I'm half an hour away. So I turned around and I went back and here she is.
So you messaged me at 11:47, I messaged you back at 12.
Yeah. You have to message me within 2 minutes because when I say I'm about to drive, that means I'm in the car, about to set off. I'm an impatient person. I have never been so excited for a Gales bakery in my entire life. Let's flipping go. So I've actually picked up a copy of the Indie Coffee Guide, and I've got a little stamp. First little stamp up the corner. I've been meaning to get one of these for so long, but it's so expensive online, so I just decided to get it in the little shoppy. Lovely jubbly. I'm having a little walk through the pavilion. Didn't come here last time I came. I feel like last time I came was such a really quick visit, but it's actually very nice up here. Lovely jubbly. So, we're in the car. As you can see, it started raining quite heavily. Dandelion was gorgeous. Gales hit the spot, and then we had a little walk around some shops. There's a little like perfumery, apothecary sort of vibe going on, and I asked what if they had this certain perfume in stock, and he went, it's a bit on the pricier side. And I was like, okay, have you got it in stock? Like, what's with the attitude? Oh no, shall be going online.
£60.
£60.
This perfume was. It's
£60.
not really pricey though, is it?
I was like, I should have told him about my Jane Malone. And he would have had something to say then, wouldn't he? So now do we head off home in the rain? Is what I'm thinking.
Oh.
Well, no alternative options.
Let me see if it's going to stop raining.
I was just about to say that. Guys, I've got absolutely no idea what of me you can see, but it's now a couple days later since you saw me go to Buxton. I'm up dressed and ready, and I'm going to head into town to edit my Milan vlog and also maybe start to edit the start of this video. But I don't actually know how much footage from... Oh, apparently traffic is moderate. I don't know how much footage I've got from Buxton. How many times have I just tried to start that sentence? I'm gonna go find out, but I need to get the Milan vlog finished because it's Thursday and I preferably wanted it to be uploaded yesterday. Traffic, sorry, why is there so many people in nobody lives here. People are probably looking at me thinking, God, that's a massive dash cam. And I also need to switch it off because I can't film the whole 25-minute journey because of memory cards and that, you know what I mean? Girls, I've made it. Justin Bieber. I've made it to town. The traffic wasn't that bad. There's just some temporary lights on one of the roads near where I live, which was difficult. So let's head in and get a coffee and sit down and get this video done. Good morning everybody, happy Friday, happy move-in day. Wouldn't be a vlog if I wasn't like playing with my hair though, would it? I'm up, I'm dressed and I'm ready and I'm heading to Manchester today to pick up the keys to my new house. I'm being quiet because it's literally 6:45 AM. I'm gonna go downstairs, make myself a coffee, have a little chill, literally just set off because I'm going to pick up the office. I'm not picking up the office. I'm picking up keys from an office that's in Didsbury. So I'm just gonna set off with plenty of time because I know there's a Gale's bakery and there's a few little coffee shops. So I can always just go and sit for a coffee if I'm really early for my appointment. Get downstairs, make a coffee, get in the car, get the tunes on, and let's go. I thought I'd be able to get a coffee in the house, but I completely forgot that I used all of the oat milk yesterday. So I'm gonna go and drive into Nero because it is only 7:20. I'm up and ready so much earlier than I need to be. I don't need to be there until 10, plus it shaves 20 minutes off my journey anyway because it's towards the direction. So I'm just gonna drive it to Nero, have a coffee, then we'll get on the road. I would have fully driven all the way there with no fuel. I've just literally looked at my thingy. I'm on 0, like pretty much 0. Let's done it! We have made it to Didsbury, which is where the key office is. It's only 8:30, so that means I've got an hour and a half. Gale's bakery is the other side of the car park that I'm on. I need to figure out how to pay for the parking. Looks like it might be able to do it on my app, or I can do contactless, or very modern around here in the Didsbury. I'm gonna tell everybody that I've made it and then we'll head over to have a little Gale's. I'm filming on my phone, it's a little bit more inconspicuous. So I've been to Gale's, been to Nero. Didn't film in any of them because you know what I'm like. I get in and I get excited over a bit of coffee and a bit of pastry, don't I? So I just sit down. I'm now just walking, I'm about 5 minutes away from the office for key collection. My appointment's at 10 and the email was very, very clear to not be even a minute before 10. So I'm not even going to risk it. I'm just going to patiently wait outside. We've got the keys. We've got the keys. It's about a 10-minute drive now, apparently just in a straight line according to maps. So I'm going to get my maps on, music on again. Let's go. Hello, it is in fact the next day. I ended up staying the night, didn't film anything afterwards. Let's do a quick little house tour. Oh, for God's sake, there's a gremlin. There's a gremlin. No one can scare me, I'm unscarable. Bearing in mind, it's not decorated, it's not finished or nothing. We've got the entrance. Then this is Dion's room. This is the living area. This is actually like probably the thing we've done the most to. We put some throws and bits out and about. There is a little courtyard out there. Cute. This is the kitchen. Obviously I've got a little Nero burg on the side, chilling there. My mum and dad are on the way. We've got a massive fridge freezer with the essentials in it. Then we shall head upstairs. Got this ugly red carpet. Who likes it? Give me 5 likes and I'll sell it. Giveaway at Heidi's room. I'm not going to show rooms in depth unless, you know, it's mine. Toilet there. Abby's room is in there. Random wardrobe in the middle. I've got this set of drawers. I bought this lamp with me from home and I put it in this little... Because I've got like an extension of the corridor before it's my room. There's the bathroom. Huge mirror on the wall. Love that. I think it smells incredible in there because I've put some M&S bits in the loo. I've got a mirror, I've got a chest of drawers, big wardrobe, bin board. This is my room, by the way. Bed. Then this desk. And then a little view of the window. There's my car. Yeah, so my parents are on the way now with the rest of my stuff. I wasn't planning to stay over last night, but then I got here and I was just so excited about being here. And Dion said he was going to stay over, so I was like, oh, I may as well just stay over then. So we ordered pizza. No, actually we went and collected it because we were just like, it's just like that's so lazy if we don't go and walk and collect it. Yeah, so we went and collected the Dominoes and then watched TV, chilled, went to sleep, woke up this morning, went to the Nero that's close to here just to, you know, figure out what's going on there. Then got some pastries for my mum and dad, came back. Now what parents are about 15-20 minutes away, so I thought I'll do you a quick little tour, and I'll do you a proper in-depth tour when I've got actually like decorators and everything in, because there's a lot we need to sort out and buy. Hi guys. I did forget to film yesterday, but guess where we're going today? We're going IKEA. I'm going with the thank you. I'm going with the happiest bunch of people you've ever met. We're going to get coffee on the way, and we're just going to get some just bits, really. Do you know when you just go in and have fucking rummage round out? We've got a coffee. We're on the way. We're going to the one in Manchester. Never been to the one in Manchester. I'm definitely having some cinnamon buns. What do you say? This is huge. Wow, is that more just?
Second there.
Oh,
Yeah, I've already used
everybody's having. What? Why have you had no food?
Licious, why you were starving this morning?
Lingonberry
I had
juice.
my coffee.
Right, ignore if you can see any mess behind me, but I've got a big bag of IKEA goodness to show you. I got 3 Tupperware boxes with lids, because they'll be good for making like salads to take to uni and work and whatnot. This vase, and it's got smiley or sad. I'll probably always have it on the smiley side because I'm a smiley person. Did I ever show you the lamp? I've got a yellow lamp and Dion liked it and he asked me to pick him up one, but he's got the blue version. I got a wine glass. I think that is a perfect size. I bought so many wine glasses in the past, but no idea where they've gone. And I got a box of these not clothes. They're like food. I'll show you what they look like. Can't open them. You know what I mean, like food clip thing. When we were in the cafe, had lingonberry juice. I've never heard of it, so I got some of the concentrate to make my own lingonberry at home. Apparently it's really good for your skin. Got this blue throw because I've decided the theme for my room, I'll put some pictures of the inspo up, is literally red, blue, yellow, like primary colours. It looks like, it sounds mad, but when I put the photos on screen, you'll understand what I mean. Just very bright. Got this mug. I think that'd be really nice for a little morning coffee and that. No, I've got a coupe glass, or a coupette, which is the one. And I picked up this vase. I thought this would be nice for the kitchen table. Just a you know, clear vase and put some flowers in there on the kitchen table. I got a pack of cutlery. Angel said this was a waste of money. I just thought it was cute to put on my bedside table. It's a little clock. Little clock. Potato peeler. Or anything peeler, really. Huge towel. Don't know what my obsession with this shade of blue is at the moment, but that's everything that I got from IKEA. I think I'm going to leave this vlog here because I think that it's going to be attached to some clips I got from a couple of weeks ago. So I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. More moving in content soon. I'm going to do a proper video when I can go up to the house for the day and do a proper like sorting out my bedroom, and then I'll give you a proper room tour. And I want to do a video like chatting through first year of uni, because I'm thinking maybe some of you guys watching this might be going to uni, who knows. So let me know if you'd like me to see that. Comment a house emoji to celebrate the new house down below, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, baby.